Is this the best sustainable jewelry brand on the market? Hey friends, as you already know by the title, we are reviewing and unboxing the beautiful brand Linjer. And if you're looking for the perfect Valentine's Day gift, you don't want to miss this video. So Linjer's mission is to empower women all across the world with luxury, sustainable jewelry at affordable prices. And what makes them so unique compared to every other brand on the market is that they are a direct to consumer. So they cut out the middleman, which takes away the traditional luxury markups and keeps the prices low. Right now, they're having a Valentine's Day sale, so that's 20% off the whole site. And if you use my code JustDivine25, it'll give you an additional 5% off. So that'll give you a total of 25% off. I will, as always, have the link in the description box below, as well as the code and all the pieces that we're going to be looking at today. So the first piece we have here is the adorable mini travel case. I've never seen something so dainty and adorable like this. So on the side you can organize your rings and even your earrings, and on the side you could put your bracelets and necklaces. And this is just an adorable little case to throw in your purse every day, especially if you don't want to lose certain pieces while you're working. You can just throw it in here and then throw this in your purse. It's a safe way to take care of your jewelry and make sure you don't lose anything. And this is another thoughtful way to make the gift a little bit more special. So we have 2 gorgeous rings and 1 necklace. You are a dainty girl and love everyday jewelry that you can mix and match with pieces you already own, and that pretty much go with almost any piece in your wardrobe already, then these pieces are for you. I love dainty jewelry and things I can mix and match and layer, and that is just going to add the perfect finishing touch to any look for any occasion. All right, so we are going to start off with the rings. I have this adorable dainty one. This isn't just any gold band, it's the Celeste stacking ring, so it has these beautiful gems in it, and this is just the perfect layering piece with other rings you may have. So it's made from recycled gold and silver. Very pretty. I love this one, and I don't have that many like stackable rings, so I thought this one was perfect. I love the gems in it to add a little bit more of a statement and feminine touch to it. All right, the next ring here, I'm so excited. I know I talk about how much I love dainty jewelry, but I wanted something more of a statement piece, something a little bit more bold, but subtle at the same time, and I thought this was perfect. So this is the Elise Moonstone ring, and I thought these two would be perfect together, and I was right. So adorable. I love the way rings just add the perfect finishing touch to the most simplest outfit. I just have a short sleeve sweater on, and I just feel like it makes the sweater so much more sophisticated. It has, I'm not sure if you can see there, but it has these gorgeous white and blue tones to it. All right, this next piece here, you may not think this is an everyday piece, but when I talk about how you can style it, how you can wear it, this will change your mind. So this is a gorgeous dainty pearl necklace. This is the Katja pearl necklace, and I just love how dainty these pearls are. So pretty. I feel like this would be perfect layering piece for the spring and summer with your other gold jewelry, even silver. If you ever feel like your jewelry is missing that texture to it, just something else needs to be added to your outfit, I think this is what you're missing. It's nice and light, so it's not going to be heavy if you like to layer your necklaces. And these pearls are just the perfect size. It's not too big, not too small. So this is what it looks like on, and it's adjustable, so you can make it a little bit longer or even a little bit shorter, almost like a choker. But I think this is the perfect length for when I wear it by itself. What I love about Linjer is that you're not going to see just trendy pieces that are going to come and go. You're going to see everyday elevated pieces that is just going to look great with anything you wear for any occasion. Classic, simple, so you know that you can wear these time and time again, which also makes it the perfect gift for anyone in your life. But as always, I will have everything in the description box below, as well as the name of each piece and the code, which will give you an extra 5% off during their Valentine's Day sale, giving you a total of 25% off. So now is the time to shop, whether it be for yourself or someone special in your life. But I hope you enjoyed today's review and unboxing, and I hope this inspired you to find your shine, because together with Linjer, we can shine together.